Here's a designer of Qualia. The Kronos turntable.
Wearing the face that she keeps in a jar by the door. Who is it for? All lonely people. Where do they all come from?
Might be one of the new hottest products. In fact, I dare say it's the newest and hottest product in high-performance audio. It's coming into our marketplace in the United States. Don't forget the name Qualia. And here we have the YG Sonia.
The socks in the night when there's nobody there. What does he care? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people.
That room treatment is from Qualia as well. And yes, it is lit.
Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ellen the Rigby died in the church and was buried along with her name. Nobody came. Father Mackenzie wiping the dirt from his hands as he walks from the grave. No one was saved. All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? Oh, the lonely people, where do they all belong? Oh, the lonely people, where do they all come from? Oh, the lonely people, where do they all belong?
That's a nice match, Qualia and YG. YG Sonia 1.3. And let's turn it up.
Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Those days are over. You don't have to say about it through the night. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. Walk the streets for money. You don't care if it's wrong or if it's right, Roxanne. You don't have to put on a red light, Roxanne. You don't have to put on the red light. 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 I loved you since I knew you. I wouldn't talk down to you. I have to tell you just how I feel. I won't share you with another boy. I know my mind is made up, so put away your makeup. I've told you once, I won't tell you again. Is a crime away, Roxanne. You don't have to put on the red light, Roxanne. You don't have to put on the red light. 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 Put on the red light.
Qualia YG. Outstanding.